Welcome to online class. In this video I will tell you about the sentence. This is my first video of grammar, English grammar. As you know, sentence is not a uncommon thing. It is very common to all of you. From the beginning you are studying about the sentence. As you know that we use word to express our thoughts, our feeling, and these words are always we use in group, and this group of word has some sense, some meaning. It gives meaning. So in this way we can say a sentence is a group of words which has some sense, or you can say it gives some meaning, which is meaningful. If some sentence, or you can say the group of words which are not giving the meaning, or it is a meaningless, that is not a sentence. So in your previous classes you have studied about the definition of sentence. The same definition I am also using here. First we study about sentence, then its kind. So let's see the definition of sentence and then its examples. Here is a definition: a group of words which make sense, or you can say a complete sense, is called sentence. It is a group of words which make complete sense or which gives some meaning. Some meaning is called a sentence. For example, I write for examples. For example, there are so many kinds of sentence. He reads a story. This is a sentence in which he reads a story. It gives a meaningful sense that somebody, or you can say someone reads a story. So this is a sentence. Let me write another example. She will come today. This is another example of sentence. In this way we can write so many sentences. There are many kinds of sentences. So let's see here different kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentence. There are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. First one that we call assertive sentence. Second, that we call imperative sentence. Third, that is interrogative sentence. And the last, that is number 4, is exclamatory sentence. These are 4 kinds of sentence. First, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now let's see one by one definitions and their kinds with examples. Here is a definition of stative sentence. That is, a stative sentence. A stative sentence simply states something, or you can say a simple sentence is called a stative sentence. Any simple sentence which gives some meaning, which has some statement, is called a stative sentence. It is also called declarative sentence. In some book, if you see, it is also called as a declarative sentence, and in some book it is called as statement. So don't get confused. Assertive, declarative or statement, both are, these three are of same. A simple sentence is a assertive sentence, or we can say also a declarative, or we can say a statement also. Every assertive sentence ends with full stop. There is a full stop at the ending of the sentence. Every assertive sentence has full stop at the ending, and as you know, every sentence begin with capital letter. It may be assertive, affirmative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Every sentence begin with capital letter, and at the ending, every assertive sentence ends with full stop. So let's see some examples. Here are examples. Such she will go to market. This is a simple sentence, or you can say a stative sentence, a declarative sentence, or a statement. Let's see some another example. He writes a letter. These types of sentences are called assertive sentence. I hope you have understood. Now let's see the kinds of assertive sentence. Kinds of assertive sentences. Assertive sentence is divided into two parts. First, that is, you can say that is affirmative sentence. And the second is negative. Negative sentence. This affirmative is also called as positive sentence. Generally we call it positive sentence, and the second part we call it negative sentence. So this is a two type, affirmative, or you can say positive, and the second is negative. A positive or affirmative sentence always state positive sense. It gives positive meaning or positive sense, so it is called as positive. But a negative sentence, it gives negative sense, so it is called as negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use negation words such as no, not, never, it is. Such types of words are used in negative sentence. But in positive sentence, it always gives positive sense, positive meaning. Let's see with the example. Suppose, for example, he played a game. we play a game. This is a positive sentence. Now let's see the same sentence in negative form. Suppose he played a game. When I change this sentence in negative, what will be? It is the same example. As we know that this is a you can say a present indefinite sentence. So when we change this into negative, it will be he does not play a game. In this way, we can say a positive sentence can be changed into a negative, and in the same way a negative sentence is changed into a positive statement, a positive sentence. Let's see another example. They are singing a song. This is a positive sentence, or you can say a affirmative sentence. When we change the same sentence in negative, it will be that is they are not singing a song. So in this way we have seen the type of assertive sentence. First, that is affirmative, or you can say a positive sentence, and the second is that is negative, in which negation words are used, which I have written here. And these are the examples. I hope you have understood. Now let's see the another, that is imperative sentence. Now let's see the definition of imperative sentence. As you know, an imperative sentence make request, give command, advice, etc. Any sentence in which we use the word request, we request somebody, or we use the words like please, kindly. These types of sentences are called imperative sentence. In the same way, in some sentence we used to give order. Suppose come in, go out, do your work, and the next is advice. When we give some suggestion or advice to anyone, that type of sentence is called as imperative sentence. Generally it has three sense, that is request, command and advice. Here I have taken three examples also. First, that is please give me your pen. Here the word please, it shows that someone is requesting to someone for pen. So this type of sentence is called imperative sentence. It shows request. It has sense of request sense. The next sentence is leave the room immediately. Here order is given to someone. So this type of sentence is called as imperative sentence, in which we use to command, or we give order to someone. The third is we should leave early and reach the examination hall on time. Here someone is giving suggestion. So this type of sentence is called, you can say imperative sentence, but here suggestion or advice is given. So we can see here, when a sentence expresses request, command, advice, such type of sentence is called as imperative sentence. I hope you have understood. The sentences, or you can say those sentences which express request, command, order. In place of command there is order is also used, the word order. Advice, in place of advice suggestions are also used. So this type of sentence are called as imperative sentence. So I hope you have understood. This is my first video of the sentence. In my next video I will tell you about the interrogative sentence and the exclamatory sentence. So children, now give you home assignment, note down and do at your home. So today's homework is, your homework today's assignment, that is home assignment. Today's home assignment is, first, write the definition of aesthetic and imperative sentences. Second question is, give two examples of each sentence. And this you do in your fair copy. So I hope you have understood. Till then, goodbye.